the egg hunt begin! You got your egg basket? Good girl. Okay, time to find eggs. Where are the eggs? Yay! Yeah, you got an egg. You got one egg. Yay! Yes! Now you have 2 eggs. Yay! How many eggs do you have now? You have 3 eggs now. Yay! Okay, time to find more. There's 4 more. Now it gets harder. Uh-oh. Way to look, way to look.
Good thinking.
Oh, are you gonna hide them yourself? Hey, you found it. Uh-oh. Do you think there's more over here? You think there's more this way somewhere? What if you looked behind that chair? Have you looked yet there? Have you looked back there?
No, over here. Right here.
Daddy's trying to give you a hint. You gotta look over there.
Oh, there you go.
Good job! 3 more eggs. Yay! You found those. Good job. This game could go on forever. What's back there? Oh, a bear!
A bear?
A bear's in there? What other animals are in here? What's that one? What's this animal? Yeah, a bunny. Where's the other eggs, you think? There's your eggs.
Blanket? Alethea, maybe we should move your blanket. Good try.
But no eggs. What about over this way? What's back there? Are you finding any? Way to cheer yourself on. You can just keep hunting those.